This is a 28-piece household toolset from WorkPro. The tools come in a blow-molded case and are perfect for DIY projects, home repairs and house maintenance. The kit includes a magnetic screwdriver bit holder with 16 different chrome vanadium bits, 2 screwdrivers, long nose pliers and diagonal cutters, an adjustable wrench, an 8 ounces claw hammer with a fiberglass handle, a utility knife with 3 spur blades, stainless steel scissors, a torpedo spirit level, and a 3-meter measuring tape. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.